So this is Lucky.
He looks like a lovely dog.
Poor Lucky's had a hard life. When we first got him, he had a heartworm. He had, do you know what heartworm is?
What's heartworm?
Yeah, so he had worms in his heart. Ugh. And he had a cough, a nasty cough, but we got rid of that. He also had mange, so he didn't have much fur on the back here, and his tail was like a stick. It had no fur on it. But now, as you can see, Lucky's got a lot of fur, and he looks like a new dog, which is really good. If I showed you a before photo of him, you would go, ah. But he's a lovely dog. He's had a hard life, but now he's got, I'd like to think, the best life. When we first got Lucky, we took Lucky for a walk to see what he was like when we first went to see him. And we were walking Lucky, and if you remember the first time we spoke to you about getting a dog, Jago, in the car on the way home, yeah, we were talking about Red Cat. Well, we were walking along, and all of a sudden we could hear this hissing sound behind us, and we were wondering what was going on. And we turned around, and there's this cat, a big cat. It wasn't a red cat, but it was like a red cat, and Lucky was scared of this cat. It was, yeah, it really was hissing, and it was quite an aggressive cat. Lucky wouldn't eat barely anything when we first got him. He liked cheese, but he can't just live on cheese. But, oh look, and he's looking at me like, did you mention cheese? But now, Lucky eats nearly anything. In fact, Lucky's so good, he eats green beans. He's almost a vegetarian dog. He eats sardines and tuna. He'll eat beef. He eats a thing called barf, which is a mix of vegetables and kangaroo mince. And yeah, and other dry food, but
sounds like a pretty nutritious and delicious diet for
yes, he has a
lucky dog.
nutritious and delicious diet.
Okay, well, how about we go and check out this bean eating that you talk about?
Okay, let's have a look and see Lucky the bean eating dog. Green beans.
It's very cute the way he eats it like that. Oh, lovely.
Okay.
And where does he sleep when he's during the day? Does he sleep inside or outside?
He sleeps inside at night, but during the day, Lucky sleeps in this lovely kennel we got off Gumtree.
Oh.
And I've fixed it up, but it needs a little bit of work, but I put a new roof on it.
Oh, I see.
So that's Lucky's.
Yes, handy. Okay.
Let's see if we can coax him in there.